In this video, I want to share with you 30 Easter prompts that you can use for your merch on demand business to help you get some sales this upcoming Easter. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print on demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch on demand and other print on demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now before I share with you those 30 Easter prompts, just want to do a quick sales update for merch on demand. So today is Tuesday, February 25th, 6:13 a.m. in the morning. Already sitting at 3 sales. That's kind of cool, but I had a nice bounce back day yesterday after 2 days ago having a pretty dismal day of only $23. Yesterday bounced back with 46 sales, $69 in royalties. That actually put me over 1,000 sales for the month and $1,276 in royalties for the month of February. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch on demand and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, family pics, entrepreneur pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So the next big holiday that we have coming up is going to be Easter. Right now, the big holiday that is trending is St. Patrick's Day, but in my opinion, it's always a good idea to be about 2 months in advance of these holidays that are coming up. And one thing that I didn't know that I actually just checked right here when I looked up the date is Easter. It looks like Easter is actually going to be falling on 4/20. 4/20 is a marijuana holiday, so that actually could be another niche right there where you take Easter and you cross niche it with marijuana. But let's go ahead and get into those prompts or those designs that I have for you. The designs from the prompts, always get that mixed up. Okay, so here are the 30 prompts where I'm using ideogram. And this first one right here is who needs eggs when you've got Jesus. So this is a good one right here because we're cross niching Easter and we're cross niching it with Christianity, Jesus, or Easter is obviously a religious holiday, so this one works very well. This next one is just a funny one, what the fluff, where you have a cute little bunny rabbit holding an Easter egg. Here's another religious or Christianity one. It's not about the bunny, it's about the lamb, where you got the Easter eggs and the cross. This one actually turned out nice here. Here you have another cute one which rhymes, so bunny kisses, Easter wishes. That could be a good one for like kids or toddlers. Here we got, let me get my face out the way, we got Bigfoot, the Easter bunny for men. So this is a funny one. And if you've been on merch on demand over the years, you know that anytime a holiday comes up, if you cross niche it with Bigfoot, it has a good chance to get some sales. Here we have my favorite bunnies call me uncle. This one can be scaled out to other demographics like aunt, brother, sister, mom, dad, grandma, grandpa. Here's another one, kind of like the Bigfoot one, where we're taking a T-Rex and we're crossing it with Easter. That's another really good recipe for success for merch on demand, where we're doing Bunnysaurus Rex. Here's one without any text, just like a bunny rabbit with muscles doing some deadlifts, so a good one for people going to the gym. Here's another one that I've seen that sells pretty much every or that can work well for every holiday, and it's basically taking cats or the word meow and crossing it with the holiday. So here we have Meowy Easter. I've seen this with all the other holidays as well. So here we got some bunny rabbits, or we have some cats that are dressed up kind of like bunny rabbits, and it says Meowy Easter. Here is a pregnancy announcement one where it's keeper of the gender. This next one is for teachers, so I teach the cutest little bunnies. This is another pregnancy expectancy one where we have some bunny has a secret. Here we have one where we're taking lunch lady and we're crossing it with Easter. I'm the lunch lady bunny. Here's one with video games. Another good recipe for success, taking video games, crossing shit with Easter or any holiday. So I pause my game to hunt, or you can do I pause my game to hunt for Easter eggs. Here's another video game one, Egg Spurt Gamer. I like that one. The Egg Hunt Supervisor. We're taking karate, crossing shit with Easter. Excellent Egg Hunter. So for Easter, Americans, they do these Easter egg hunts where they hide candy and painted Easter eggs, and you have to go find and put it in your basket. It's a very popular tradition. Excellent Chaos Coordinator. So this is for chaos coordinators, cross niche with Easter. I'm the Nurse Bunny. Kindergarten Crew. Some bunny is going to be a big brother. All booked for Easter. The book niche seems to be just jamming as of late. So this is a good one right here. Egg Hunting Squad, good for kids, for the cousins, they could all wear that. No bunny loves me like Jesus. I saw this phrase, and I actually might make a video about this, where you have some bunny or no bunny. It's a really good play on words, and there's just so many variations you can do for this one. So probably going to use my GPT to get some ideas on how to cross niche using this phrase, somebody or nobody. I think somebody probably gives you more variations. But this next one is going to be Easter Egg Hunt Champion. I'm the Papa Bunny, and this design style also I saw was very popular, where you basically have the bunny ears and then you have the bunny feet. You don't have to do the bunny feet, but you can if you want. And then you have some type of text in the middle, usually, you know, targeting some type of demographic. So I'm the Papa Bunny. This one right here says Cousin Crew, and then this last one, really funny one, where it says Chicks Dig Me. So those are the 30 designs or the 30 prompts that I have for you. And if you want, you can actually get them from my PayHip shop. Right here, I'm offering a sale for today only. 30 Easter prompts. Just click on it right here and you will get the PDF and the Word file. And if you're looking for some other prompts, you can come up here and kind of shop around. So I have these like bundles where you get a really good deal. You can get like 110 wall art prompts, 175 sports prompts, 50 evergreen niches for only $12.50. That's a really good deal. But some other ones that would make sense would be to go to these holiday prompts right here. Take a look. We got autism coming up. We got St. Patrick's Day is going on right now, Mardi Gras, and then some ones in the future like 4th of July and back to school. That one's kind of down the road. But we also have some monthly prompts. So if you want, we got, you know, March, April coming up. I'm actually working on the ones for May right now. Did 30 yesterday, and also wall art prompts, Tumblr prompts, evergreen prompts. So if you're interested, take a look. Now I want to share with you my SKOOL community. So if you want to know how I get sales like this on a regular basis, consider joining my SKOOL community. It's basically, if you don't know what SKOOL is, it's basically like a paid Facebook group, but on steroids. There's so much you can do in these in the SKOOL community. And what you get when you sign up is you get daily niches, both evergreen and trending, and you also get prompts to go with those niches as well. So that's why I called it Mikey's Daily Niche Vault, because every day I'm giving you like 3 to 4 niches, trending and evergreen, that come with prompts. Let me show you like an example here. So I'm just going to scroll down to like maybe a post I did like a week ago. This is actually the one that I showed yesterday. So let's go with this one right here. So right here, I had actually 5 niches. So yeah, I had a lot of niches that day. So 3 trending, 2 evergreen. And let me just show you what they look like. So right here, we can just click on it. So here are the niches or the prompts. You can actually download these and just use these as you wish, or you can just come up with your own prompts. So that was a trending one, a couple 2 political ones. Then we had, I think actually this is another political one. So there was 3 trending ones, and I had these 2 evergreen ones. I survived my husband's cataract surgery, and this one right here, Mama of the Fast one. So that's for like moms who are celebrating their son's birthday, who's into like NASCAR and car racing, things like that. But basically the way that it works is I give you these niches. So let's go with like niche number 2. So here you get the niche name, the title. I actually give you a link of a similar design that is selling, so you can see that this design is converting. And then here you get the prompt. You also get access to all of my GPTs. So you come up here to Classroom. So here are all my GPTs. Now you do have to have a paid subscription with ChatGPT. A Plus account is $20 a month to access these GPTs. But here you can get your keywords for your listings. So all you have to do is just upload your design. It will give you a title, brand, bullet 1, bullet 2, and a description, and it's loaded with keywords. If you just go to my YouTube channel and watch the video about this, I think you'll be pretty impressed. But then I also have some other GPTs as well. Like if you want to not be doing the same designs as everybody else, you can just pop in the design and get a whole bunch of other prompt ideas. It gives you 9 keywords for your merch on demand ad campaigns. And then this one right here, this crossover one, which I'm really liking. You can take any niche, like a holiday niche, for example, and put it into this GPT, and it will spit you out 100 other design ideas, where we take that niche and it's cross niche with over 100 other evergreen niches. This is actually a really cool one in my opinion. And then you also get, like, I'm starting to add these like value videos where I show you my prompt creation, how to write listings, basically like bonus content that I don't put on my YouTube channel. So if you're interested, you can join. You can cancel anytime. It's only $24 a month, or only 80 cents a day. And you're also become part of a community. We do these Q&As. So I got a Q&A coming up this Friday, 1-hour Q&A on Zoom. Ask me anything you want. You can also message me. Be part of a very positive community for Merch on Demand to grow your Merch on Demand business. So if you're interested, the link will be in the description and the pinned comment. If not, it's all good. I will continue making videos like this on a regular basis. But that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure you watch this video right here because I have another really good Easter niche that I think you'll like as well. All right, adios.